Hello everyone, this is co-pilot Windafi here, and we're gonna take a long time of flight in Cyprus to go to Rockford to Gwynnefig to ONG and Perth. So we're gonna start off with Cyprus, and we're going to Larnaca right there. It's Larnaca, right? Because it's also Larnaca because it's based also in real life. I'm gonna pick the Concorde. I'm gonna pick the Concorde right in front of a. Okay, we're gonna pick the Concorde and look at that beauty. We're gonna pick the Pepsi one because my dad used to love the Pepsi. Yes, drink light. And Pepsi got died on Indonesia right now in 2019. That when I'm 1 years old, I'm in that year. Okay, we go to the middle of the runway right there, and we're gonna take off. I think we're in the Alpa. I think, bro. I know. We're not taking off, but we're not taking off. We're not taking off yet. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. There goes lift off the longest flight in PTFS, which goes to Cyprus to Great Rockford to Gwynnevig to ONG to Perth. There's no way you can do that. And after the Gwynnevig um I don't know, man. I think we're not taking off. Oh yes, we're going up. Go to Great Rockford, and we're gonna go around and even a touch and go. We're gonna touch and go in 5 islands, maybe 5 or 4. And let me check. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna touch and go in 3 islands, which is go to Rockford, Gwynnevig, and ONG. And we're gonna and we're gonna go straight, go with the curve in the mounts in the volcano, and go to the after that we're gonna make a curve in Saba and go back to Perth. Okay. This ain't no way. This ain't no way. Okay, after the takeoff, we're gonna make a touch and go in there. We're gonna make a touch and go. Or we just wait. Or we just still flying or else. Anyway, let's go straight flying. Never mind, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna go and touch and just go in 3 islands. After crossing to go to Rockford Airport and to Meller, crossing to Meller Airport, and then we're gonna go to Gwynnevik Airport, and we're gonna still fly until. Look at that view, dude. So beautiful weather. Oh, my Wi-Fi is dead. I think my Wi-Fi is good. Oh, thank God. The airport just reloaded. We come too far to turn. Look at that view, dude. We're on the Great Rockford Airport in 40,000 feet. I mean, not 40, but 4,000 feet. Dude, there's literally carbon dioxide coming out of our engines. Alright, we just crossed over one island now. We got one checkpoint, which is Greater Rockford, and after the Greater Rockford trip, I mean not trip, but the Greater Rockford Pass, we're going into Gwynnevik. Sorry guys, that was my dad scratching. Okay, we after going into sentence one now, and look at the bottom of us. Look, look at that beauty. That's the Queen of Airport, and that way, and that airfield was just an airfield. I don't know what the name is, but look at that island view, man. It looks so damn good. It's getting dark over there. I think it's getting dark. And we're at 13,000. And we're at 13,000 feet, man. I think we're at the atmosphere, dude. I think we're at match two. I mean, just look at it. We are going to match two. Yeah, match two. Saber is right here, man. Saber's right here, man. I think we have to curve over it until we get into our destination, which is Perth International. Look at that. That's Saber, right? That's Saber. We are going at 2,000 feet, and we're still at match 0.10, maybe? Maybe we're on match 1 or whatever. Oh, look at that. It's Bird Island. Look at it. It's a bird island. Just look at it. That's a bird island. I think we need to go and refresh just in the air because we're going too fast, dude. We're going too fast. And we're approaching into the Perth over one way. I don't know, maybe it's 1 way to 9 or whatever. And anyways, this is our destination. So congrats, boy, congrats. We're finally starting into our destination. Look at that. We are literally having a 20 minutes. We are breaking the record of the PTF's longest flight with a Concorde, man. It lasted 20 minutes. And it was, oh, reverse just. I think we are correct. Oh, we need to go around. We need to do a go around, guys. We failed. Okay. Okay, we are pushing 1.9 again, and this time we're not gonna do a go on again, right? And there goes butter. We did it, guys. We did 23 minutes instead of 20. No way. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe.